Hey guys, this is Lee Gamer here with my retaliator, but we're doing something different because so you can have it on while you're like in a nerf or something. But you see this? It is a rubber band launcher. So what you're gonna need is, well, of course, a retaliator, and you mainly need the barrel, and a rubber band. It should be about the length of the barrel, the front of the barrel. And then, so what you're going to want to do is, you see this space right here? If you're going to put it on the gun, then you're going to want to put it right there. And on the back. So there, and here. And then you put it on the front, and then when you're ready, take this off. But of course, if you're not putting it on the front, then there's not a point of putting it here. Sorry about that. So I'm gonna show you guys the range now. And so you take this off, but you still want to stretch it back to behind the eyesight, and then you're just gonna let go. So it actually goes very far, and close ranges are very accurate. If I can, it went right here, flew all the way over there. So I'm going to do it one more time because that wasn't really my best one. So if you're not putting it on, like if you're just going to use the barrel, you're going to put it on the front and then pull it back. And at least that one went really far. I don't even know where I'm going to find it. Yeah. If you have carpet that's similar color, you might not want to fire it too much inside the house. I'm just going to look around for it because I don't know where it went. I know it went back here somewhere. Alright, well, I don't know where it went, but if y'all saw it when I released, then you know it went over that somewhere back here. But that's pretty much all I have to show you guys. And, well, Merry Christmas. Yeah.